Skills are today the currency of the future. The currency of today, but probably it will be the currency that will count the most in the future, because this will enable us to differentiate on the market, to find a better job, again, to achieve our individual objectives, but also to develop a society. We have to develop a couple of elements that I think are important. So ownership is key. Mobility of skills. Third element is to design a clear perspective when it comes to the quality of training. When we look at market, we don't ignore the social dimension. We should never ignore the social dimension, but it's clearly that this enables us, of course, to define regulations better at European level, and we have to recognize that there is a market.
The European Union has set ambitious targets. The skills agenda that was adopted in 2020 sets out a number of initiatives. The Pact for Skills, which looks at creating upskilling and reskilling opportunities through large-scale partnerships, public and private. So the EU has put forward enormous funding, focusing on where digital skills can be really supported, both in the recovery and resilience plans, the structural funds. The ESF Plus under the structural funds will fund skills, upskilling and reskilling, digital skills, green skills.
Digital skills are essential in itself for citizens' empowerment. It is estimated that there will be tens of millions of jobs for people with advanced digital skills in the coming years. I believe in transformative education, which involves the transition from traditional education to a sustainably oriented model, which should be based on broad interdisciplinary knowledge underpinned by an integrated approach to the development of society, the economy, and the environment.
We think that a pathway towards more inclusive transformation leads through an increased focus on skills. So we have worked on a set of technologies that we call Skills Cloud. The Skills Cloud uses machine learning to infer, validate, verify skills in the workforce, and it creates a universal language for describing them. So to sum up, if we use these types of technologies correctly, they can help us develop a dynamic understanding of skills and capabilities in the workforce, connect people to new opportunities, close skills gaps, and create new career paths for people.
When we look at digital skills development, we also have to look at the digital divide and to access to the internet. Delivering training is one of our core activities in the field of digital technologies and ICT skills. Research to develop and disseminate research and policy guidelines that help our member states to develop their skills, policies and strategies in the countries, and very much working in partnership with others. I would like to highlight our Digital Skills Assessment Guidebook. We also have a new initiative called Equals Her Digital Skills that aims specifically to provide transformational digital skills to 1 million women and girls by 2026.